Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the host machine, enable remote desktop and system settings, and sign into Roblox so the app is ready. Once done, confirm the host's IP address and username, and open port 3389 in the firewall. This allows a remote client to reach the desktop. Make sure the host has stable upload bandwidth, otherwise input lag will ruin gameplay. Set a strong password for the user account, because remote desktop opens direct access to the machine. Now you configure the remote client, install the RDP app for your device, and add the host IP plus credentials. Once connected, lower display quality to around 60%, 80%, and reduce resolution to minimize bandwidth. This improves frame rate for Roblox. Enable sound only if you need game audio, otherwise mute to save data. Also, make sure the host closes unnecessary apps and enables high-performance power mode, so the GPU and CPU finish by launching Roblox through the remote session and testing controls. Mouse and keyboard must be responsive. If they are sluggish, reduce resolution further or lower in game graphics. If connection drops, configure port forwarding on the router to the host IP or try a VPN located near the host for better routing. Make sure NAT type is open enough for game traffic and update network drivers on the host. If nothing helps, restart both machines and recheck firewall rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.